Friends, OME 553 Industrial Safety Engineering, third year, fifth semester, Unit 1, Safety in Metal Working and Wood Working Machines. Topic 3, Maintenance, Part 2. So, we go for lesson. Before I have problem, we discussed and give the justified answer and then move on to the problems. Classes. So this is a problem. The first reactive routines. So first problem, reactive routines. And over reliance on past experience and assume new equipment will operate without failure for period time. And failure to address infrequent but high consequence of failures. This is a problem in your industries. Reactive routine means repeated system, repeated process. For example, you take your computer system. If any problem occur, means restarting from again and again. So you can identify problem and give a solution after continue with your process. So for example, based on operating system failures, so based on power switch off, based on battery problem, these are some routine process. You can start. You have problem identified based on this category. You can system can rebooted in the your sectors. This is a computer system oriented, as well as the management manufacturing industry side, manufacture industry sites. So machineries start once you can start means before checking all equipment whether it is properly good condition or not. So if it is a good condition, you can start your machineries. If not, machinery is good condition means you can call the machinery person and once check it, after you can continue your process. This is happen for reactive routines. And over reliance on past experience means trust with someone. That means you can the new person can enter the manufacture sectors. You can trust with person, you can do it. You are working in manufacture area, machinery areas. If the new person can enter into machineries, you can before at least 1 week training given to your new persons. After you can enter into production line and manufacture the product and in your system, as in your workplaces. Okay, this is your overlays past experience for employee and employers. Assuming new equipment will operate without failure to period of time. So once you can implement the new equipment replaced with your oldest one, just you can verify after you can start your production of your line. Suppose you can not checking of each and every component, checking of your component in the area. Suppose failure with your new failure with number of product produced is totally waste. So that means the products are sent to your waste packaging sector. So that once you are starting machine, before checking all process in your machinery oriented. This is a machinery sectors. And suppose if hospitalized, example, hospitalized, once start your operation before checking of your equipment whether it is good condition or not. After you can start your operation and operation in success. If not good condition, your equipment cannot do your work because the patient life is spoiled in the patient life is spoiled, as well as your hospital name is spoiled. This is happen your industry sectors. Okay, so next, failure to address infrequent but high consequent failures. That means you can suppose I'm a trainee working in manufacture sector, you can production line. So if any problem occur, immediately I call the production manager, I inform you, and after identify the infrequent failures and inform the production manager, and they are taking a decision. After you can replace the equipment or modify the equipment with your system. This is your problem with your sectors. Okay, this is a problem statement for maintenance part 2. The next one, so already you know about different type of maintenance. Okay, the first one, maintenance, plan, unplanned. The plan maintenance, we have 3 category. One is preventive maintenance and corrective maintenance, predictive maintenance, running maintenance, shutdown maintenance, scheduled maintenance. Unplanned means emergency maintenance, breakdown maintenance, and shutdown maintenance. These are all different type of maintenance based on working in your industries. Next one. So this is a planned maintenance. It is planned maintenance. The maintenance action is carried out with some forethoughts, period planning, and record keeping and control action that can be further. For example, this is a planning sheet for a service guard. So first, prevent, protect, and perform. So preventive maintenance visit, each and every person can visit or not. This is a if it visit, put the tick mark. If it is visit, if the person can visit your industry, put the tick mark in your production line. Okay, so replace of wear parts include yes. If it is yes, put the tick mark. If it is no, int mark. Wear the parts guarantee. You can check the guarantee of product. If it is equipment, whether the equipment is guarantee or not. You can check it. If it is yes, put the tick mark. Otherwise, you can int mark here. And first priority of status, you can give a based on priority based on that one. So saving on labor and travel cost on repair discount rates. So these are some criteria to maintain your industry. The same as product, preventive maintenance list visit. Yes, product penny. If it is okay, we have a product our people and replace the part. Yes, put the tick mark. We are the part guarantee product. Yes, put the tick mark. And first priority status. Yes, put the tick mark. And saving a labor, travel cost or repair, all costs are covered. So worldwide on-site service within 14 hours. If it is yes, put the tick mark. If it is no, and int mark. And repair and spare parts include. Yes, if it's available, put the tick mark. If no, int mark. And extended warranty include. Yes, is available, put the tick mark. These are prevents your machines and protect your process and perform your well in your system. This is a plan. You can start the machineries once before check your system in the process. Next one. This is a plan maintenance. This is a category working sheets of plan sheets. So identify the problem and create the work order. Before starting process, you can category identify a problem and create work order in the system. This is a planning of your system. And inspect asset and premises where work will be performed. So once example, as a manager, first I will start the work, and before identify the problem, whether the problem is right or not, and create the work order and given to my subordinate, and subordinate create the work to my workers. So separately I have work order given to my workers. So this is happen your system. After inspect asset and premises where work will be performed, I would inspect each and every task, whether it is complete or not. This is some based on my roles and responsibility as a manager. So next one, order parts and prescribed process to be completed work. Once the part is completed and sent to here, once I check the all equipment based on which criteria 1, criteria 2, criteria 3, criteria 4. So once check order the parts, prescribed process to complete. If it is okay, and add a priority level to work order. Which part is first one, which part is second one, which part is third one. And after schedule complete plan maintenance. if it is completed, you can schedule whether it is right, whether it is completed or not, whether it is whether it is completed or not, whether it is um, received or not. This is a condition statement of schedule and completed plan in maintenance. This is the ending of after completion. The product will be sent through our customers. This is a starting and ending process of planned maintenance in your system. Next one. This is preventive maintenance already shown. The one is example for machinery, and check your temperature through temperature monitor in temperature monitor for machinery machinist employee in industries. So it is based on upon prevention is better than cure. It is said activity or perform on plan equipment machineries and system before occurrence of failures in order to protect them and prevent or eliminate degradation operating conditions. Suppose this is a machine. So before I will start the machine, and before I check equipment, machinery and system. If whether it is failure or not, I would identify the problem and call the machinist and complete the solution. Suppose without checking, I will start the machine means after the production lines or production of quantity or whatever quantity you produce, your production line is totally waste and sent to reuse of the material. This is a preventive maintenance for your schedule. Okay, next one. So there are three type of preventive missions: running maintenance, scheduled maintenance, and shutdown maintenance. This is a preventive maintenance for three types. This is one preventive maintenance checks. What are the checks in preventive maintenance? So first one is daily oriented and cleaning area, working area, whether it is cleaning or not. Next, lubricant oil fill it or not, and coolant level, whether it is increase or decrease. Suppose coolant oil is available, there is no problem. The coolant oil is not available, you can upgrade your systems, and report minor defects. Report minor defects in your if it is any defect is available, you can take a chart and put the tick mark or write a report in your that place. Okay, after the machinist next day the machinist come to your place, and what is the problem created that machine, identify the problem and given the solution and complete the process in the system. This is the daily manner of the preventive maintenance of checklist. And weekly lubricant oil once removed from your machinist and replace the newest one. And weekly coolant oil once level checking in the system, and filter and check your process after completion your system. And hydraulic and pneumatic lines based on that one you can in the area, and monthly spindle drivers built, and hydraulic pumps oil, checking your hydraulic pumps and oils, and movement of axis. Biannually machines alignment in your system, and replace oils and filters in the area. This is a preventive mission for a single mission. If huge machines are available, this is a weekly, monthly, quarter, annually, and yearly once you can maintain your system in your manufacturer sectors. This is a preventive maintenance sheets. So this is a process. The first one is follow the prescribed preventive maintenance schedule and supplied with your press, and check hydraulic lines and fitting weekly for exclusive wear and leaks, and maintains proper oil level and temperature, cleanliness, perform oil samples, analyze and quarterly, and torque all nuts, bolt and fasteners monthly to align with commissioning standards, and test safety system logout and e-stops daily, and review press system data monthly to identify trends and via the patterns due to activity levels, and proactively replace the consumables and process and component and keep common items on hand for quickly changes. This is a step one for one machine. This is hydraulic pressure machines for preventive maintenance steps for hydraulic process machine in your system, in your manufacturing sectors. Next, running maintenance. So running maintenance which include those maintenance activities that are carried out while the machines or equipment is running or not. This is a running machine in the system. So this is a example. This is I take a shipment machineries. So once I would start the ship, before I checking each and every equipment in the process. For example, lubrication oil is available, adjustments of nut is available, and screw type, tightening of loose nut and bolt. Each and every part I would monitor, and if any problem created, the machinery area identified and call the machinist and clarify doubts and modify equipments based on that product. This is a machinery sectors. This is a scheduled maintenance. The scheduled maintenance is any variety of scheduled maintenance to an object or item of equipments. Especially the planned maintenance is a scheduled services visit carried out by a competent and suitable agent to ensure that an item of equipment is operating currently and to therefore avoid any unscheduled breakdown and downtime in the system. Scheduled maintenance. So the possible preventive maintenance is scheduled or electrical apparatus in petrochemical process plant. This is one example. This is a scheduled maintenance. So this is the electrical apparatus. What are the electrical apparatus in petrochemical? I list out the preventive maintenance and weekly, monthly, annually, and every 2 years, every 3 years, change only it is required. So this is a plan maintenance frequency. This is based on your schedule maintenance. Okay, so battery system, check the voltage alarm, specific gravity and plates, and emergent transfer schemes. This is a standby generator run up, complete transfer. This is a weekly or monthly or annually. And main circuit breakers, operational check and oil inspection, and main substation, temperature, load check, and transformer, oil inspection. So these are monthly or weekly and annually. So motors, bearings, grease, ventilations, and productions, and clean and check for calibration, kilowatt and hour meters, and substation, incoming lines, dirty atoms, and high voltage, incoming lines and cleaning areas, unit substation, and ground indicators, sub bump, and housekeeping, temperature and load check, oil inspection and transfer. These are all whether it is weekly, monthly, annually, every 2 years, and every 3 years, or change only if it is required. You can, before you can identify this chart, this is easily run up with your system based on scheduled maintenance. This is scheduled maintenance. So select on assets, analyze historical maintenance data, determine best time interval to perform maintenance, run asset under the normal operating condition. If it is okay, directly implement it. If it not okay, rework that process and complete your periodically perform periodic maintenance. So if it run the asset under the normal operating condition, and is asset due to for maintenance and perform periodically in maintenance in your system. This is a scheduled maintenance for your area. This is shutdown maintenance, so which is a set of preventive maintenance activities that are carried out when the production line in a total stoppage of situation. This is performed generally after 3 or 6 months once. This involve the inspection of plants in item which are known as or suspect to the occurs. This is a shutdown maintenance. This is my activity. And tell about one part of planned maintenance or scheduled maintenance, step-by-step procedures. This is my disadvantages. Increased invest in diagnostic equipment. So increased investment in training of staffs and saving potential not ready to seen by management. The increased investment diagnosis mean each and every equipment. One check your process. If not check, your production line is damaged. Production quantity is damaged. Increased investment training of faculty. If a knowledgeable person, there is no given to training for knowledge person. If new person, you can give a training after sent to your production line, so that cost wise can increase for training people. Saving potential not ready to seen by management. This is advantages. Increased component operational life as availability, allow for preemptive corrective actions, reduce equipment or process downtime, and decrease cost for parts and labors. This is the advantages. Next one. Assessment. List of the advantages of maintenance. Identify the disadvantage of maintenance. This is my references. Thank you.